flaky and sweet almond croissants. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're all doing well. My name is Kimberly. For new subscribers or viewers, today I'll be showing you how to make these deliciously flaky almond croissants that take minimal effort and they taste so good. As always, all the ingredients will be in the link in the description. And I also wanted to wish you guys a late happy new year. I really hope this new year is treating you good. You're gonna start with the almond filling, so you're gonna cream softened butter with sugar. Add in an egg, vanilla, almond extract. This is optional, but I think it really elevates it and makes it taste like an almond croissant. Give everything a very good mix. Now, I'll be honest with you guys, it doesn't look the most appetizing, but just give it a chance. Okay, I promise it's gonna taste amazing. You're gonna add in your ground almond. Okay, I just got this from Lidl. You can find it in the nut section. It's perfect. Just add it in. As always, all the measurements will be in the link in the description. You're gonna mix it together, and then you're gonna add in a teaspoon of flour. Once your filling has been made, set it aside and start cutting your puff pastry into triangles. Make sure it's puff pastry, not short crust pastry. Like, trust me, because it's gonna mess it up. You need puff pastry. Your pastry should be cut like this. I'm gonna show you guys how to make the croissant itself. So you're gonna make a little split in the triangle dough using a pizza cutter, a knife, whatever you have. Then you're gonna put 2 teaspoons of the filling, and then you're gonna spread it across the pastry, and then you're gonna roll it up. So I'll show you guys. I kind of lost footage of the rolling up bit, but you get me. You just roll it up, and then that's the croissant, guys. I promise you. This is how the croissant should look. It might not look the best of the stuff, guys, but it will come out beautifully in the end. You're gonna put them all in your tray, and then you're gonna brush with egg wash. Once your croissants are perfectly baked, dust with icing sugar, and you've got these beautiful flaky almond croissants that are so flavorful and tasty. I really hope you guys give this recipe a try. It is perfect. It takes half the time of a traditional homemade croissant. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Love you guys.